Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hi, my name is Muhammad Zamil Shauki bin Hisham, and my number matric is AA191167. So I am the leader for the group 7, and we will present to you about our project-based learning or our PBL for our group assignment 1. So for the group members, we have Muhammad Nakib bin Ithnin, Muhammad Shahir bin Ramlan, Muhammad Zamir Shauki bin Hisham, which is me, and also Muhammad Zulfaka bin Zamri. Okay, for the table of content, we have 7 of subtopics, and the first one is our minute of meeting, that consists of date, time, place, evidence, our attendance, and also our activities. We also have introduction, problem statement or diagram, filler table, solution, our conclusion, and also our reference while doing this report. Okay, for the meeting, for the minute of meeting, the meeting was held on 10th of January 2021 at 10 p.m. until 12:15 a.m. in our WhatsApp group. Okay, this 3 picture is our evidence that proof we have done some discussion about this PBL report in our WhatsApp group or online platform. Okay, for the attendance, it is very satisfied because everyone played their role very well, and we have submit our tasks given within the due dates. Okay, for the activities, okay, we have 5 scope of activities. Okay, the first one is we have to choose a leader, and the chosen leader is Muhammad Zamir Shauki bin Hisham. Okay, it takes more or less than 10 minutes to choose a leader. Okay, then the leader needs to divide the task to each members, and they need to complete it before the due date. And this activity takes more or less than 20 minutes. Making a filler table. Okay, for making a filler table, we have discussed together about the facts and find some of ideas, learning issues, and also resources needed. And we spend about an hour to complete this section and finding the solution of the problem. Okay, we have discussed about the solution, and we use YouTube and other website as our main reference, and it takes a lot of hour, okay, that been more than 2 hours. And lastly, for the conclusion, we have discussed about the conclusion to make the solid conclusion, and we takes more or less than 20 minutes. So we have in this report we have taken a lot of efforts. However, we done doing this by take the help and also guideline from some respected person that deserve our greatest gratitude. The completion of this report gives us much of pleasure, and we would like to show our appreciation to Dr. Muhammad Zul Arifin bin Makruf, our great lecturer in engineering mathematics in the first semester of 2021, for giving us a good guideline for the report throughout the numerous consultation. And also to many people, especially our classmates, and not to forget our team member itself that have done their task very well and make some of valuable comments and also suggestion on this report, which gave us an inspiration to improve our PBL report. And we would like to thank to all of the people for their help indirectly or indirectly in the way we complete our PBL report. So we will continue with the next person.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Muhammad Naki Besnan. My matric number is AA191285. Okay, today I want to talk about the assignment 1 project learning based PBL Enginnering Mathematics II. Okay. Today I want to talk about my part is the problem statement or diagram. Okay. My group is going to do the question number 7 from section A and question number 11 from section B. Okay. The question number 7 is from section N population. Okay. The rate of decay of a radioactive substance X is proportional to the mass of the substance remaining. The mass of X is X grams at time t years after decay. Given that T0 equal to 0, X equal to M. Okay. A. Find X in terms of M, T, and the constant of proportion. B. It is known that after 19 years, the mass of the X will have half. Find X in terms of M and T. C. How many grams of X will be left after 1000 years? Give your answers in terms of M. Okay, section B is Newton's law question. Okay, the question 11 is during the holiday season, you help your auntie with her catering business. Before you can serve soup to the guests, your auntie asks you to cool down the soup first. The rate at which a container of hot soup cool down is proportional at the instant to the room temperature. A container of hot soup is placed in a room temperature 21 first degree and in 7 minutes. The minute the solution cool from 87 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. Determine the length of time T taken for the solution to cool from 37 to 22 degrees Celsius.
Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shahir Biramlan, AA191617. Okay, today I will explain the Fila table and the solution of question 7 at set A. Okay, let's go. For the Fila table, the problem format is the rate of the decay of a radioactive substance X is proportional to the mass of the substance remainings, and then the mass of X is X gram at the time T is year after decay, given that T equal to 0, X equal to M. Okay, the question is the first one. A. Find X in terms of M, T and the constant of proportion. And then for B, it is known that after 900 years, the mass of the X will have halved. Find X in terms of M and T. And then for the last one is how many grams of X will be left after 1000 years. Okay, the fact is the rate of decay of a radioactive substance X is proportional to the mass of substance remaining. Then the second one is X gram after T years decay. And then the last one is T equal to 0, X equal to M. Okay, the idea that I get is use a exponent decay formula. The learning issue is which formula that I have to use, and then the second one is how to use the information to get the formula. The resources that I use for this question is from the internet, and then from our lecturer YouTube, and then the engineering maths notes. Okay, for the question A, we have to answer in terms of X. Okay, the decay formula is A equal to AO E powered by negative K and T. Okay, as we know, A is a proportional proportional, but the question given is X is proportional, so we just have to change the A to the X, and then the question give X equal to M, so we just change the AO to the M, so we get X equal to M, E powered by negative K and T. Okay, for the question B, question given 900 years, and then weight is X. Okay, the X will be half, that's mean 1/2, and then as we know X is M, so the M will be M/2. Okay, for the T is 900 years, like question give. Change the T to the 900 years. So we use the line to multiply the solution, and then we can find the K. Okay, for the question C, the question asks the value of X, that's mean mass, okay, after 1000 years. So we use the answer from the question B. We just change the T from 900 to the 1000 years. So we will get the answer for the C question. That's all from me, Muhammad Shahir Biramlan. Thank you.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Fakar bin Zamri, number matrix AA190113. Today I would like to present about the filler table and the solution about the question section B, question number 11. Okay, the question is, during the holiday season, you help your auntie with her catering business. Before you can serve soup to the guests, your auntie asks you to cool down the soup first. The rate at which a container of a hot cools down in proportionally at the instant the room temperature. A container of a hot soup is placed in a room of a temperature 21 Celsius degrees, and in 7 minutes the solution cools from 87 degrees Celsius to 45 Celsius degrees. Determine the length of time T taken for the time cool from 37 degrees to 22 degrees. Okay, the fact is the rate at which container of hot soup cools down in proportionally. Second is a container of the hot soup is placed in a room of temperature 21 Celsius degrees, and in 7 minutes the solution cools from 87 Celsius degrees to 45 Celsius degrees. And the formula given is T minus Ts dt as equals to negative d k negative k dt. Okay, the idea is I want to use the exponential decay formulas and with Newton's cooling law. Okay, the learning issues, which formula to use, how to use the information to get the formula, and the resources needed. I have made some research in SPM books, YouTube's, and engineering math notes. Okay, next, let me present about how to solve the problems. First, we go to the fact that the rate of which a container of hot soup goes down in a proportional in a room temperature. A container of a soup is placed in a room temperature 21 Celsius, and in 7 minutes the solution cools from 87 degrees to 45 degrees Celsius. So which formula to use? So I would like to use the exponential decay formula with a Newton's cooling law. Okay, so first and foremost, we rewrite the formula given in the problems. That's 1 over t minus ts dt equals to negative k dt. So to make it simple, it's in t k t plus c. Let the e power of c equal to c. T minus ts equal to e power of negative kt plus c, while t minus ts equal to c e power of negative kt. After we change e power of c equal to c. Okay, t equal to c e power of negative kt plus ts. Now we want to make the t as a main search. Okay, the tv0 to equal to 87, t1 equal to 45, t equal to 7, ts equal to 21. It means that c goes to it. In fact, that c goes to 0. So 87 equal to c plus 21. We can get that c1 is 66. Okay, the next step is we go to the formula that given, that we have already have c and t. So 45 equal to 66 e power of negative 7k plus 21. E power of negative 7k equal to 4 divided by 11. Okay, so right now we can get the k equal to in 11 divided by 4 in bracket divided by 7. So 37 equal to c e power of negative kt plus 21. T go to 0 and to equal to 37, 31 equal to 22, ts equal to 21. We get c to 16. So put it into the formula. 22 equal to 16 e power of negative kt plus 21. 1 over 16 equal to e power of negative kt we got in 16. So t equal to in 16 over in 11 divided by 4 in bracket times 7. So the solution we get is t equal to 19.2 minutes. Okay, I think that's all from me. Let's go for the next presentation by the other participant. Thank you.
The conclusion is the research towards solving the problem by phyla are proved to be effective, and it give all of our group member chance to display our knowledge and creativity. Begin with the stating the problem in detail to make sure to understand the problem. Elaboration of the problem with phyla technique to put them into different parts, which are fact, idea, learning issues, and resources needed or action. And then finally solve the problem based on the problem statement and phyla elaboration. Clearly, this group activity has helped us not only to learn good problem solving technique, but also to learn about teamwork, leadership, and formal communication. Okay, and the reference for this report is YouTube link here. Here other solution. Secondly, last semester paper report. Third, next textbook, and lastly YouTube. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.